Science and technology is the keystone towards accelerating the country's productivity, bringing in more jobs, especially in the countryside, and pushing towards a better environment for living for every Filipino. As the premier science and technology body in the country charged with the twin mandate of providing central direction, leadership, and coordination of all scientific and technological activities, and of formulating policies, programs, and projects to support national development, the Department of Science and Technology embarks on newest umbrella program called Smarter Philippines.
Smarter Philippines is a national program which will provide a platform for the deployment of systems, procedures, and technologies that will allow greater access to basic services from government and the private sector. In the regions, we have a Smarter Countryside program which will enable small and medium enterprises to compete in the global market through cutting-edge technologies and ICT, for example, to bring their markets, their products to a wider range of clientele. With ICT, or information and communications technology, and other cutting-edge technologies, the Smarter Philippines program will bring closer to Filipinos the services of government and the private sector. If we put our acts together, the public sector and the private sector can bring to the world the products and services of the Philippines and be able to compete in the global arena. With the various pillars of the Smarter Philippines program, we can make Davao region more competitive in the global market in terms of products and services.
As part of its core functions, DOST Regional Office Number 11 offers the following services: technology upgrading, laboratory analysis, testing and calibration, shelf life testing of food samples, advisory services, technology training such as packaging and labeling and food safety, scholarship programs, and S&T promotion, among others. The Regional Standards and Testing Laboratory, or RSTL, established in 1992, is equipped with testing instruments for food products, water, and wastewater sample manufactured by our small and medium enterprises.
To forge strong partnership with our clients, especially the business sector in the region, DOST established technical service facilities and test laboratories since 1992. Today, we call it the Regional Standards and Testing Laboratories. The laboratories are equipped with advanced instrumentation facilities complemented by highly trained and competent workforce, operated and managed according to international standards. We have 3 laboratories: the Microbiology Laboratory, Chemistry Laboratory, and the Metrology Laboratory, that offer product testing, analysis, and calibration services. For the Microbiology Laboratory, we test, analyze food products, water, and wastewater. And in the Chemistry Laboratory, we do physical-chemical analysis for food products and water. In the Metrology Laboratory, we provide length, mass, and volume calibration services. We calibrate calipers, test weights, scales, and balances, truck scales, calibrating buckets, tanks, and trucks or lorries. These are done to ensure that companies abide by rules and regulations governing commerce and trade. We extend these services in order to help companies achieve high product quality, steady growth, global competitiveness, and also to ensure public and environmental health.
It has organized also the Davao Food Safety Team Incorporated to boost competitiveness of local producers to meet international standards.
Davao Food Safety Team Incorporated is a group of multidisciplinary professionals established by DOST to champion on food safety. They aim to lead food processing and food service enterprises and the general public towards greater awareness and vigilance on food safety. The team provides training to food manufacturers and food service industry on good manufacturing practices, or GMP, hazard analysis on critical control point, or HACCP, ISO 22000, and they also conduct food safety audit and assessment, plant layout design, and other consultancy services.
The agency also provides packaging and labeling design assistance to improve the product of our local SMEs.
We also provide packaging and labeling assistance to food manufacturers and processors. This is extended in order to improve the marketability and shelf life of their products.
Meanwhile, under its technology upgrading program, DOST 11 has implemented the Small Enterprise Technology Upgrading Program, or SETUP, since 2002.
So SETUP looks into improved production of enterprises. So it provides interventions on production, operation, and services of the enterprises. And then apart from that, we do provide human resource development. This can either be firm-based or it can also be industry-based. So for firm-based, we do provide soft technologies. In the case of the food processing enterprises, this would come by way of trainings on good manufacturing processes, hazard analysis, critical control point training. And in the case of other enterprises, it would also range from skills training, which can be in the case of manufacturing, finishing, and woodworking, and a lot more other trainings. We also provide packaging and labeling services. This is very important because this has bearing on the shelf life of the products, particularly the food products. No? So we see that currently our packaging materials are not really competitive, and sometimes there are still product package incompatibilities. So for the technicalities on packaging, we also look into this and provide assistance to the small and medium enterprises. So the purpose really of our assistance on laboratory services, which is not only for chem, microbio, and shelf life analysis, the purpose is really for the enterprises to be conscious about adherence to international standards. We do provide funding for this so that they can capitalize and not invest it from their own cash flow, and then put it as part of the innovation system support so that it will be easy on their pockets. They can avail of SETUP by, of course, writing a letter of intent to the department, particularly to the regional office. Of course, the letter of intent has to be addressed to the regional director, Dr. Anthony Sales, CESO 3. No? They have to have current business permits. They have to have current licenses that are issued by government authorities. At least 3 years in existence, because we are asking for audited financial report for a period of 3 years. In the region, we are counting close to 80 enterprises that we have assisted from the time that we have implemented the program. The process of accessing funds for SETUP, it begins with the submission of a letter of intent to the Department of Science and Technology Regional Office number 11. Again, I've mentioned, addressed to the regional director. And then that's when we engage the proponent or the micro, small, and medium enterprise into a technology needs assessment. We go to the enterprises, look into how they operate, look into their layout, plant layout, and their existing equipment, and then we identify possible areas of intervention whereby the optimum increase in productivity will be obtained. So when I say intervention, those that would qualify under the innovation system support, and then from there, getting baseline data, and then getting data on a quarterly basis so that we will be able to know the percentage increase in productivity.
The DOST Regional Office 11 also extends science and technology scholarships to deserving students to create a massive talent of scientists, inventors, and technologists in the region.
To increase the science and technology manpower pool in the country, the Department of Science and Technology offers various scholarship programs for deserving and financially challenged students. The DOST offers scholarships for secondary education, undergraduate education, and graduate education programs. To date, the Region 11 alone, we already have 1,507 undergraduate scholars.
On the other hand, as a testament to its relentless pursuit to continuous improvement, total quality, being an ISO 9001-2008 certified institution, the DOST Regional Office 11 was conferred the commitment to quality management of the Center for Industrial Competitiveness of the Department of Trade and Industry. DOST Regional Office 11 is the first organization in the Davao region to be recognized by the Philippine Quality Awards.
The Philippine Quality Award means so much to DOST 11 because the PQA represents the apex of all awards. It is the highest level of recognition for exemplary organizational performance. It is a testament to DOST 11's level of performance. It serves as an inspiration, motivation, and guide to work harder, and a reminder to continuously improve our quality management system. With the PQA, our efforts now is pushed to another level. We are now more determined and challenged in our work. The PQA brings out the best in us to be innovative and to strive for excellence through continuous improvement.
DOST RSTL Davao is an ISO 17025-2005 accredited laboratory in chemistry, microbiology, and metrology. It holds the distinctions as the first RSTL who received recognition and certification from different government agencies. The Chemistry and Microbiology Laboratory is also an accredited water testing laboratory by the Department of Health, as well as one of the recognized laboratories for fish and fishery products by the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources in Region 11, as well as DNR-ENB and FDA-recognized laboratory. DOST RSTL Davao has upgraded its facilities by acquiring modern equipment that will allow greater number and wider range of analytical and testing services. Upgrading of expertise and its laboratory staff is ongoing through local, international trainings and benchmarking activities.
The Department of Science and Technology Region 11 envisions a proactive, dynamic organization committed to excellence in public service through science and technology. In pursuit of this vision, DOST 11 will continuously improve its quality management system and continuously build knowledge and partnerships in science and technology.
Today, DOST Regional Office 11 continues to be at the forefront of science and technology initiatives towards achieving smarter Philippines.